Look at that view, folks. It is March 30th, 2019. 43 degrees outside at 2:30 p.m. on March 30th, 2019. And we just are on Nye Road here. We just went through Fishtail and we're coming up here on Nye Road. And these are the Beartooth Mountains straight ahead, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I just stopped here and got some video of some deer. Some regular video and some slow motion with the GH4. Hope you like those deer shots. And I just want to get this vlog started. I've been driving now for a couple hours. We're listening to The Last Days of the Inca by Kim McQuarrie. Incredible, incredible. It's the entire story of Pizarro and The Last Days of the Inca. Can't recommend it enough. I'm listening to that. I got the drone, just added new batteries to this phone. We got the GH4. Beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, just look at this. Mountains are just gorgeous. There's no clouds or just very, very little clouds. Just absolutely stunning day out here to fly the drone and get pictures and hang out in the outdoors, and no wind at all. Beautiful, beautiful day. Look at the Beartooth. Look at how beautiful. All right, folks. I just pulled off here on Fiddler Creek Road. Just a stunning shot of the Beartooth right here on Fiddler Creek Road. Gonna fly the drone. Enjoy the drone flight. All right, folks, this is cool. So we got way up here. This is Old Nye, it's called. And there's a sign here. It says, this site constructed by Stillwater Mining Company as a public service. So this is Stillwater Mining Company's little like pull-off picnic area, which is pretty cool. I feel like I've been here before. I've thought about flying my drone here before. I'm definitely gonna get the GH4 out, do a time lapse, and maybe fly the drone, maybe walk down by the river and get some shots down there. But beautiful little area here. It's still about 40, 45 degrees, but the sun's out. It feels incredible after brutal, brutal winter we had this year.
Which included every citizen in the Inca Empire.
All right, folks, we just did the drone here at Old Nye, Stillwater Mining Company place. We're gonna keep heading up to the West Fork Stillwater trailhead. All right, folks, I was about to say, I've never been here. This is all new for me, so this is a new location for me, and we're only 2 hours from Billings. This is West Fork Stillwater River, and so I've been on the Stillwater River trailhead. I've never been on the West Lake or West Fork Stillwater, so it's Rabbit Gulch Trailhead, Initial Creek, End of Road Trailhead 8. So it looks like there's 3 trailheads up here. How sweet is that? By the way, this is the mine, Stillwater Mine. Active mine area. So this is cool, huh? We'll get up here and we'll get a real good spot to fly the drone and take some pictures. Hell yeah. All right, we're up here on West Fork. The road gets snowy right there and it goes back into an area where there's a ton of shade. This part right here I'm fine to get through, but I'm by myself and I don't know how much snowier it gets. Plus, look at how awesome this place is. Absolute stunner, obviously. There's Stillwater Mine down there. You know, the crazy thing is even though it's 45 degrees out here, it feels great. It feels amazing. With that sun, it feels warm. All I need is this sort of long sleeve and I'm good. I don't even need my coat on out here, even though it's 45 degrees, which is not that hot. So this is a pretty sweet spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the drone from here and take another time lapse looking up there. Enjoy it. All right, folks, that's it. I'm low on fuel, so I got to get going, and I forgot to get gas, so I'm low on gas, so I got to get out of here. We did get 2 drone flights. This is Stillwater Mine. Really cool to see that on the drone footage, I'm sure, and everything else. This is Stillwater Mine right here, Stillwater River, and that was the Stillwater vlog again, 2019 March, baby.